Welcome to this video on multiplying a proper fraction by a whole number. Let's have a look at a few questions together. My first question is 1/5 times 4. The key thing to remember when you're multiplying a proper fraction by a whole number is that you're making the fraction larger. You do this by keeping the denominator the same and multiplying the numerator by the whole number. 1 times 4 is 4. 1/5 times 4 equals 4/5. Let's look at a second question. 2/7 times 2. Keep the denominator the same. Multiply the numerator by the whole number. 2 times 2 is 4. 2/7 times 2 equals 4/7. Let's look at a final question. 3/4 times 2. Keep the denominator the same. Multiply the numerator by the whole number. 3 times 2 equals 6. 3/4 times 2 equals 6/4. For this question, the answer is an improper fraction. If you are doing arithmetic paper during your SATs, this will get you the mark. However, you could also, if you want to, convert it into a mixed number fraction. And this time, it could also be simplified. These two answers will also get you the mark. However, my advice is, on your arithmetic paper, just use the improper fraction. This is the quickest and simplest way to get the mark. Thank you for watching this video. You can find links to more resources in the description below.